Hey guys, today I am going to be filming this Doubutsu Gumi Zukan, and it is by Kurashie, and basically it is what the dinosaur, beetle, and ocean kit was, I believe, but it is much more colorful this time and a little bit cuter. So, let's see. Someone was asking me what this zero is. It means 0 preservatives and 0 artificial coloring. I'm not artificial, but I'm not sure, but it means it's healthy. Well, not healthy. It means it's not bad for you. There is a difference. So, I'm going to open it up, and we shall see. Okay then, so we have Gumi no Moto, Kiro, yellow, gummy powder, red, and this sheet. I guess there are 4 sheets and you can put them together. And Oasis powder, and this drippy dropper thingy, fork, and the tray, of course. Well, let's see, who do we have? I see a giraffe, a tiger, penguin, 2 different types of penguins, a dog, and then the body of the giraffe. First, we're going to start off by putting the gummy powder into the tray. I'm going to take the red and make the dog red. I think I want the giraffe to be yellow, and I'm going to try mixing colors for the tiger, so I'm going to go ahead and make the penguin red, even though I have never seen a red penguin before in my life. Here is the yellow, and let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can mix this. Make a nice orange. Okay, I tried to clean them up as best as I could. Now we are going to bring them to life. I'm going to pour water up to this line here. Once the water is ready, we're going to put the Oasis powder into here. Okay, we're going to mix this in very well. Okay, I think that's pretty well dissolved. Now we are going to drip some water onto the animals. I don't know if that is orange. Now we'll let it sit for 3 minutes. Okay, I think it's been about 3 minutes, and we are going to pop these guys out. I do not have much hope for them, but, you know, it's the joy of creating. Okay, there's his head. There's his body. And that is ugly. Ta-da! So here's the finished product. Let's see. I should have mixed this powder before I poured it, but the colors that mixed are very nice orange. And I think the dog and the giraffe are the most recognizable. See the dog face. Penguins, I have no clue what these are. So the yellow is lemon flavored and the purple is grape flavored. I am not sure what flavor this is supposed to be, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat this little guy. Sorry. It's very sour, but it's really good. The Kurashie gummies have been getting better and better. It is just amazing, and it tastes fine. Tastes like a gummy. A little powdery, but it said on the package that it's supposed to be shuddy, which is like, you know, the texture of powder. So, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the grape. It is definitely grape flavored, but I would have to say that the lemon tastes better. Let me know what you think of this kit. I don't think it was as fail as some of the other kits like this that I've done. I was able to pop them out of the mold properly, and I think that is improvement. So, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, it is... Ta-da! Who is this? See, I don't know. all the character names. Totakeke. I do not remember seeing this guy in Animal Crossing New Leaf.